I would love to learn how to play Fantality.
That stupid lady next door is sure making a bunch of darn noise. And I heard that she's very weird.
Fight!
I gotta practice. Come on.
What the heck is that on the news? Okay, the cough is getting worse again. So now, you go to a grocery store, you have to wear a mask again. You go, everywhere you go, you have to wear a mask now. Okay. Except me. I'm not wearing a mask right now. Never mind, I'm in a separate room right now, broadcasting. And here I am, hungry for a hamburger at mcbirds restaurant. And I gotta wear my COVID-19 suit. Alright, it's gonna be hard for me to eat, but I'll manage, even if I pull my mask down a little bit and eat a hamburger and fries. Or, I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'm going to mcbirds restaurant right now.
Alright. Now my stomach is growling for a hamburger. I'm hungry. Wow, they even have a snack machine? Huh. Snacks $1 each? You think they'd be $0.25 each? That's stupid.
What is she doing without a mask? She's gonna catch the cough. Hey lady, you're supposed to wear a mask.
Excuse me, but how am I supposed to eat my hamburger with a mask on?
Lift your mask up and eat your food. But I guess you're gonna catch the cough, so what could I say? Welcome to mcbirds restaurant. There's your menu. Help yourself.
Stupid waiter.
That's a dirty table. Oh my gosh, it's disgusting. Waiter, waitress, someone clean this table up. Okay, I'll clean it. Thank you, I appreciate it. Geez, you could even get yourself snacks, huh? This is brand new. Huh. And now $1 each. Okay, I'll get myself some real food. So, how can I help you today at mcbirds restaurant? I will hand you your menu and help yourself with a soft drink. Okay, thank you. Maybe a snack too. Let's see what we got. What else we got? Oh wow, that looks pretty good. The ice cream sandwiches look pretty good. Maybe I'll get that after I eat my real food. Let me get my son. Let's see. Dr. Pepper Cherry? That's the only Dr. Pepper they have, huh? Okay. I guess I'll get that. That's different. Straws are right here. Are you really kidding me? It was not easy eating a hamburger under my mask, but okay, I did it. Good thing I wore it. I would have caught the cough. It looks like that stupid lady had it, and she was coughing towards me, and she probably did it on purpose.
I gotta go to the rest area. Okay. I'll go to, the men's bathroom? Oh no, I'll just go to the ladies. I'm a lady, so